filters like this is where I'm showing now. So the purpose of this icon created here, that like see we have various charts which we have created, various KPI we have created, various panels we have created. So somewhere like we just somewhere like we have selected the tier 3. I just wanted to like medium 1 and item type. So here multiple things have been changed. So like sometimes like we'll be missed to check what exactly is changed and where exactly we need to click on that, so that the regular things like the output like which is wanted to receive like which we wanted to see, that will be that we'll able to see. But here the things is that like we have filtered so many data, so to arrive in a single click we can make that to be available. So instead of going and checking each and everything, okay, uncheck this, then going uncheck this, then again we found that okay we uncheck this, so now it's in the correct format. So instead of going to all these scenarios, we can create a one click button where by clicking this button like all the filters are been like all will be cleared. So let us learn that now. So let's go with the file, yes, and yeah, so I already created over here. Let me check. Yes, this is the one and this is the one. I'll just delete it. So now I'm going to show you guys how we are going to like enable in the dashboard. So I'll just go and insert, like you can create a like format, like you can insert some shapes or you can create on that, but I don't want to do that. So let's start doing the things in a proper way. So because we already added a few images, similar way I'll try to bring that image here, and so that I can use that image. So for that let's go to insert and select the image, and I have in this filter I'll be adding all these images for your workings. I just selected this and yes, so now you can find out all these things in Google. Okay, yeah, so now action, like this is something like action filters I just placed here. So now if I click, nothing is changing, it is just selecting the filter which I like put it from the downloads. So now I need to put some action for this. So for that what you can do, so let's select this image and then go to view, and here we have option as bookmark. So click on that, then you will see here that as a bookmarks, then add it, then the name automatically appears as bookmark. So let's rename it as, see we wanted to action that clear filters, so we just need that clear filters. I just entered. So now we cannot see that if there is something action is going on. So what I'll suggest, now we need to add some action for this. Okay, now select this format image, just go there, there is a action button in image section, we have action button, just on it. Then type action type, what it is, like we have selected the bookmark, then what bookmark we are selected, like we have created here clear filters, so we just need to select that clear filters. So then what will happen, so now it is going to add. So let's check it out. So now I am applying average sales, and I have created the selected the outlet location as a tier 3 and average sale is I'm selected. So there are various filters have been applied. So now I just need to see, like I don't want to go individually to uncheck all the filters which I selected. So let's do it in a different way. So like now I'll just go to say total sales. So now in a single click all this information should appear. So what I'll do, I'll just go here and click on the, you can go on this, see it is visible, control click. So I'll just control click, see the dashboard appear in a normal stage. So this is what the extra additions which we have in the Power BI, so that going forward like I'll be sharing few more such tips so that you can utilize wherever you are going to use your Power BI. So I hope this filters pane, like where I've created a bookmark, so that will help you for in some of the data preparation or the visualization preparation. So let's learn it.